This is the strawberry ice cream that I got from Whole Foods. It's their 365 brand. And I mixed it with some grenadine. There's about 4 scoops of ice cream in here. The ice cream was so hard, it was really hard to scoop. And so I left it outside the refrigerator for about 15-20 minutes and then poured some grenadine in it and mixed it up. And then, so it turned here, that really nice pink color, or red actually is what I'm going for, but it's better than the light pink that I had. And so I'm going to try and turn this into, I'm going to try the ice cream button that I couldn't use yesterday. Shall see if this works. There. Okay. Full. And ice cream. Start. Okay, that means it's done, so we're going to take it off and see how it's like, what it looks like. Okay. So there's our texture. And let's see. So this should be a lot more scoopable now anyway. It was really hard to get it out yesterday, but the grenadine helped a lot. So this is almost like soft serve. However, the flavor profile changed on it because it's got a lot of grenadine in it. So now it tastes more like cherry ice cream. So that's the only drawback. If you like cherry, great. But it's a mix of strawberry and cherry. It also took the cherry color. So, but I'm happy. And so, luckily I like grenadine. But I will be doing a banana split with this and the sweet potato ice cream that we made yesterday.